pass these to him.
What does sustainable agriculture look like?
Let's walk down this way. Let's try to grab a couple.
Who decides what level of chemicals is okay in our bodies? Who decides which people get to eat and which people have to suffer?
That one, grab this one right here. Good job.
What if you can choose to take your fate into your own hands? I'm Atiba, owner of the Noble Market, and last weekend at the farm stand, we hosted an event providing food, education, and empowerment for over 20 families within our community. We wanted to demonstrate that with God, ingenuity, and unity, we can create our own self-sustainable systems.
Wow. Oh, is that a jump over?
Got a double.
Wow. Wow.
That we alone decide what to put in our bodies.
Show us, Bryson. Hold them up, both of them, in both hands.
Yeah.
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 That together we will take our fate into our own hands.
Nice.
And that it doesn't have to be done alone. So no more what ifs. Harvest only happens once the seed is sown. If this resonates with you, like this video, share it with someone who needs to see it, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're building. Every share plants another seed. The Noble Market isn't just a market, it's a movement. Come and grow with us.